Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will be setting up the dev environment, folder structure and test run the app. Let's get started. I have created this new virtual environment and it is running Python 3.10. Let's move on and create our project folder structure. Hang on, let me just grab the script. Yeah, here we go. This will create as the required folder structure. I think it's done. Let's just check it. Yeah. Let's just install FastAPI and UVCon. In case if you are wondering, this UVCon is the ASCII server that we'll be using for our development purpose. Okay, it's installing. Yeah, the installation is done. Let's just update the requirements.txt. Okay. Yeah, we have the requirements.txt updated. Let's open the folder in VS Code. Okay, yeah, here we go. The first step is to import the FastAPI class in main.py. From FastAPI import FastAPI. Now let's create an instance for the FastAPI class. Then we have to create APIs. So in the API folder, we can make use of the root.py. We'll be creating a sample API here. First, we'll be needing API router. And we will create an instance for the router. By using the router instance, we can create the URL declaration. I'm creating a GET request here. And we are declaring the URL. Whenever this URL is called, this function will be invoked. We are creating an asynchronous function here. I'm just naming it as root. We'll just return a simple message. The API is created. Now we have to import the router in main.py. For that, let's first import the router here. It's inside app root, app API. Importing is done. Then let's register the router using include router function. This will receive the router as a first parameter, so we have to call router from root. Then additionally we can pass tags. This will come in handy in the documentation. Okay, I think it's done. Let's start the server. Let me just clear the code. Okay, we will be using UVCon. Name of the module is app main, and the instance name is app. If you want the server to auto reload, add reload at the end. Server is started. It's listening in port 8000. So let's visit the port 8000 on our local host. there you go, we are getting the response back. Okay, so if we want to see the documentation, just visit /docs URL. Same port 8000 and then docs. FastAPI will generate us a beautiful Swagger documentation. This is an interactive one. As you can see, we are getting the same response. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Thank you.